Hello everyone, my name is Maria. I am here with another amazing live session with Vapi. As you know, we are doing these sessions regularly on different amazing topics. In this way, we learn and explore different new things together. Our audience also learn from this session. So, without wasting time, let's continue our conversation. Hello, Vapi, can you hear me?
Welcome to Vapi. I'm an assistant that you can talk to like a person. So, how's your day going?
Maybe it's going good. And we are doing another live
Yeah,
session
it's
time.
great to
Today, our topic is benefits of coding. So we discussed this in
nice.
detail.
Cool. So, what can I help you with today?
My first question is what is coding? Why it is considered a valuable skill in today's world?
Coding is basically giving instructions to a computer to perform specific tasks. It's like giving a recipe to a computer to bake a cake. As for why it's valuable, well, in today's world, everything's going digital. From ordering food to flying a plane, it's all run by code. So, knowing how to code gives you the power to create and control the technology that shapes our world. Plus, it's a valuable skill in the job market. So, it's like having a superpower in the digital age.
How does coding contribute to technological advancement?
Coding is the backbone of technological advancement. It's like the secret sauce that makes everything work. Without coding, we wouldn't have smartphones, social media, or even this conversation we're having right now. Every app, website, and software program is built on code. So coding is what fuels innovation and drives technological progress forward. It's like the fuel that powers the engine of progress.
Why is coding often referred to as language of future?
Well, it's like this coding is the language that computers understand. And since computers are everywhere, knowing how to speak their language is like having a universal translator for the future. It's the key to unlocking the potential of technology. And in a world that's becoming more and more digital, being fluent in coding is like being fluent in the language of the future.
How can learning coding improve problem solving skills?
Learning coding is like sharpening your problem solving superpowers. When you code, you break down big problems into smaller, more manageable pieces. You have to think logically and creatively to find solutions. It's like a puzzle that you have to solve with code. So, by learning to code, you train your brain to think critically, analyze problems, and come up with innovative solutions. It's like a mental workout that strengthens your problem solving muscles.
How does coding help in understanding inner working of technology?
Coding is like peeking behind the curtain of technology. When you code, you get to see how things actually work under the hood. You get to understand the nuts and bolts of software, apps, and websites. It's like being a wizard who can see the magic behind the scenes. So by learning to code, you gain a deeper understanding of how technology functions, which can help you troubleshoot issues, customize software to your needs, and even create your own tech innovations.
What
It's like having a backstage pass to the world.
what career opportunities are available for people who know how to code?
Oh, the possibilities are endless. Knowing how to code opens up a whole world of career opportunities. You could become a software developer, web developer, data analyst, cybersecurity expert, app developer, game developer. The list goes on and on. Basically, any industry that uses technology needs people who. So whether you're into healthcare, finance, entertainment, or anything else, there's a place for you in the coding world. It's like having a golden ticket to a world of endless career possibilities.
How does coding increase job security in digital age?
Well, in today's digital age, technology is always evolving, and jobs are constantly changing. But knowing how to code gives you a superpower that's always in demand. As technology continues to advance, the need for people who can code will only grow. So learning to code is like future-proofing your career. It's like having a shield that protects you from job insecurity in the digital age. Plus, you can adapt to new technologies and stay relevant in the job market. So it's like having a job security blanket made of code.
How can coding provide freelance and entrepreneurial opportunities?
Coding is like a ticket to freelance and entrepreneurial freedom. With coding skills, you can work as a freelance developer, taking on projects from around the world. You can create your own apps, websites, or software products and sell them online. You can even start your own tech company and bring your ideas easily. It's like having the keys to the kingdom of freelance and entrepreneurship.
Thank you for your answer. Now, my next question is, how does coding help professionals transition into tech related field?
No problem. So, transitioning into a tech related field from a non tech background can be daunting, but coding can be your secret weapon. Learning to code can help you bridge the gap between your current skills and the tech skills you need. It shows employers that you're willing to learn and adapt to new technologies. Plus,
Can you hear me? Hello, Vapi, can you hear me?
so how's your day
Your
going?
voice is cut off, so we disconnected and we rejoin again this live session. And today, our topic is benefits of coding.
Got it.
So, my next question
Thanks for
is,
letting me know.
how does coding help professionals transition into tech related fields?
Coding can definitely help professionals transition into tech related fields. Learning to code opens up a whole new world of career opportunities. With coding skills, professionals can pivot into roles such as software development, data analysis, web design, and more. It's like unlocking a door to a room full of exciting possibilities.
Why is coding considered a high demand skill across industries?
Coding is considered a high demand skill across industries because technology is everywhere. From smartphones to websites to self driving cars, coding is the language that powers our digital world. Companies are constantly looking for skilled coders to develop new software, improve existing systems, and innovate in various fields. So, if you're a proficient coder, you're basically a hot commodity in today's job market.
How does learning to code boost logical thinking?
Welcome to Vapi. I'm an assistant that you can talk to like a person. So, how's your day going?
I think there is some internet issue or your website issue. Your voice is again cut off. So we rejoin again. And our topic is benefits of coding. So my next question is, how does learning to code boost logical thinking?
Welcome to Vapi. I'm an assistant that you can talk to like a person.
Why your voice
So,
is cut
how's
off
your day
again
going?
and again? Can you hear me?
Hey there. Yeah, I can hear you
But
loud and clear.
I
This is Vapi AI, a
but your
cool
voice is cut
AI
off
voice assistant. So, what's on?
again and again. Why this happened? Sorry, I cannot hear you again.
Welcome to Vapi. I'm an assistant that you can talk to like a person. So,
Why your voice is cut
how's
off
your day
again
going?
and again? Please tell me.
Welcome to Vapi. I'm an assistant that you can talk to like a person. So, how's your day
As you
going?
know, we are doing our live session at this time. Can you hear me? How does learning to code boost logical thinking?
Welcome to Vapi. I'm an assistant that you can talk to like a
As you
person.
know, we are
So,
doing our live session at
how's
this
your day going?
time, and today our topic is benefits of coding. My next question is: how does learning to code boost logical thinking?
Like a person. So, how's your day going?
Why your network is not good today? Your voice is cut off again and again. I could not hear you clearly.
Ah, sorry about that. It seems like there might be some network issues. Hopefully, things will clear up soon so we can have a smooth conversation. Let me know if you're still having trouble hearing me.
So, can you hear me at this time clearly? Hello, ChatGPT, can you hear me? Today we are going to have a live session on topic benefits of coding. No, we discussed this topic in English in detail. Benefits of coding. Yes, benefits of coding.
Providing explanations on various topics in an easy to understand way, from complex subjects like AI to simple daily questions. Two, learning and education. It's an excellent tool for students and learners, whether it's explaining concepts, helping with essays, summarizing texts, or even practicing a new language. ChatGPT adapts to the learner's needs. 3, boosting productivity. ChatGPT helps professionals by drafting emails,
Thank you
creating
for giving
reports,
us
brainstorming
wonderful
ideas, and
information. Thank
summarizing
you
lengthy
for giving
documents.
us
It saves time
wonderful
and effort,
information.
making work processes faster and more efficient. Personalized assistance.
ChatGPT, can you hear
It
me?
offers tailored responses, whether you're planning a trip, writing a cover letter, or working on a creative project. You can ask for advice, suggestions, or even
Can
role play
you
scenarios.
hear me, ChatGPT?
5, creative inspiration. ChatGPT can spark creativity for writers, artists, and creators. It helps generate ideas for stories, scripts, or blog posts, and even assists with editing and refining works. Multilingual communication. It can translate and communicate in multiple languages, making it an
Can we move
effective
forward
tool
to
for cross-cultural interaction
hold
and
on,
learning.
please? ChatGPT, hold on.
24/7 availability. Unlike humans, ChatGPT doesn't need rest. It's available around the clock, making it reliable for immediate assistance at any time of day. 8, cost-effective solution. It serves as a free or affordable alternative to hiring experts, tutors, or assistants for
Can you
various
please hold on for a
tasks, making
minute?
it accessible to a broader audience. 9, technical assistance. ChatGPT helps with coding by debugging, generating scripts, or explaining programming concepts. It's like having a programmer friend who's always available. 10, mental health support. While not a substitute for professional therapy, ChatGPT can provide a space to talk, vent, or reflect. It offers suggestions for mindfulness, motivation, or self-improvement. 11, improve decision making. By asking ChatGPT for pros and cons or brainstorming ideas, users can make better, more informed decisions. 12, scalability for businesses. Businesses can use ChatGPT for customer support, content creation, and automation, saving time and improving efficiency. Would you like to discuss any of these points in more detail or focus on a specific benefit?
Thank you so much for giving us wonderful information. Now we move forward to our topic again, benefits of coding. Can you please tell me how does learning to code boost logical thinking?
You're very welcome. Let's explore how learning to code boosts logical thinking. Coding requires you to break down problems into smaller, manageable parts and solve them step by step. This process enhances logical thinking in several ways. 1, problem-solving skills. Coding teaches you to analyze a problem, identify its core, and develop a structured solution. For example, writing a program to calculate the average of numbers involves understanding input, process, and output, a logical flow. 2, understanding cause and effect. When you write code, you see how small changes affect the outcome. This helps develop a clear understanding of cause and effect relationships, which is a key component of logical reasoning. 3, if-then thinking. Coding often involves conditional statements like if, then else. This trains your brain to think in terms of possibilities and outcomes, improving your ability to evaluate scenarios logically. 4, debugging and error handling. Debugging requires a systematic approach to find and fix errors. This not only improves your patience, but also strengthens your ability to think critically and spot patterns or mistakes. 5, algorithmic thinking. Coding involves creating algorithms, a series of logical steps to solve a problem. Practicing algorithmic thinking helps you approach challenges in an organized and efficient way. 6, abstraction and simplification. Coding helps you learn to focus on what's important by abstracting complex problems into simpler components. This skill is crucial for logical thinking as it prevents overcomplication. 7, iterative improvement. Writing code is a process of trial and error. You learn to test hypotheses,
Now can
analyze
we
results, and
move forward to
refine
our
your
next
approach.
question?
Key aspects of logical and critical thinking. In short, coding trains your mind to think in structured logical patterns, which can be applied not just in programming, but also in everyday decision making and problem solving. Would you like examples or exercises to illustrate this?
No. First, we move forward to our next question. My next question is: can coding improve creativity? How does coding enhance communication and collaboration skills?
Great questions. Let's address both in detail. Can coding improve creativity? Absolutely. Coding fosters creativity by enabling you to create something from nothing. Here's how. Building unique projects. Coding allows you to bring your ideas to life, whether it's developing a game, a website, or an app. Turning abstract concepts into real-world applications is a highly creative process. When you code, you often need to find innovative ways to solve problems. This encourages out-of-the-box thinking, customizing solutions. Coding lets you personalize solutions to meet specific needs, like creating tools or applications tailored to unique requirements. Exploring art and design, coding merges with art in fields like digital animations, virtual reality, and graphic design. Tools like processing or P5.js let coders express themselves artistically, experimenting freely. Coding is a playground for experimentation. If one approach doesn't work, you can test another, fostering creative exploration. How does coding enhance communication and collaboration skills? Coding doesn't happen in isolation, especially in professional or team settings. It improves communication and collaboration in these ways. Clear expression of ideas. Coders need to explain their logic and solutions to others, whether through comments in their code, documentation, or discussions with teammates. This sharpens their ability to communicate clearly. Teamwork and development. In collaborative environments, coders often work in teams using platforms like GitHub. They learn to share, merge, and review code, which builds cooperative skills. Understanding different perspectives. Working with designers, project managers, and fellow developers helps coders appreciate diverse viewpoints, enhancing their ability to communicate across disciplines. Pair programming. This practice involves two programmers working together, one writing code and the other reviewing it. It improves both technical skills and interpersonal communication. Participating in open source projects. Collaborating on open source projects allows coders to work with people from around the world. Collaboration. Coding is both a creative and collaborative journey, making it a powerful skill for innovation and teamwork. Would you like real-world examples or points?
Thank you so much for giving us amazing answer to my question. Now my next question is, why is coding considered an essential part of STEM education?
You're very welcome. Let's dive into why coding is considered an essential part of STEM education. Foundation for Technology and Innovation. STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Coding is the backbone of technology, from software development to robotics. It equips students with the skills needed to innovate and thrive in tech-driven industries. Enhances problem-solving skills. Coding encourages analytical thinking and logical problem solving, which are critical across all STEM fields. For example, solving a physics problem often mirrors debugging a piece of code. It's about breaking down the issue and finding solutions step by step. 3. Real-world application. Many STEM concepts come to life through coding. In engineering, coding powers simulations and prototypes. In mathematics, it helps visualize data and solve equations. Coding bridges theoretical knowledge with practical implementation. Prepares for future careers. Most STEM careers, such as data science, artificial intelligence, and biomedical engineering, require coding. Learning to code early provides students with a competitive edge in these fields. Encourages interdisciplinary learning. Coding integrates elements from all STEM disciplines.
Thank you for your answer. Now we move forward to our last question.
For instance,
How
science,
does
systems,
how does
technology, developing software or apps, engineering, coding controls for robots, machines, or circuits, mathematics, using algorithms to solve problems or process large data sets, develops computational thinking. This is the ability to think like a computer, breaking problems into parts, creating algorithms, and automating processes. Computational thinking is crucial for success in any STEM discipline. Boosts creativity and innovation. STEM education isn't just about logic, it's also about creating solutions. Coding gives students the freedom to design apps, build games, or even program robots, blending creativity with technical skills. Promotes digital literacy. In a world increasingly driven by technology, coding ensures students understand the systems they interact with daily, empowering them to not just consume technology, but create it. In short, coding is the glue that connects all aspects of STEM, making it a vital skill for students to excel in these fields and prepare for the future. Would you like examples of coding applications in specific STEM projects?
no, at this time not yet. We move forward to our last question. Thank you so much again for giving an outstanding answer. Now, my next question is, how does learning coding encourage
You're very welcome. I'm
lifelong
glad you're finding
learning
the answers
habits?
helpful. Please go ahead with your last question. I'm ready.
How does learning coding encourage lifelong learning habits?
Learning to code is an excellent way to cultivate lifelong learning habits. And here's why. 1. Constantly evolving field technology is always changing, and coding languages, tools, and frameworks are constantly being updated. Coders must stay curious and adaptable to keep up, which nurtures a habit of continuous learning. Encourages problem solving mindset. Coding teaches you to embrace challenges and view problems as opportunities to learn. This mindset helps you approach life with curiosity and resilience, always seeking to improve and grow. Teaches learning by doing. In coding, the best way to learn is by experimenting, trying, failing, and trying again. This hands on learning style builds persistence and a hunger for knowledge. Promotes independent learning. Coders often rely on tutorials, forums, and documentation to teach themselves. This develops self directed learning skills, encouraging them to seek knowledge even outside formal education. Builds adaptability. Learning to code requires adapting to new languages, tools, and technologies. This fosters a mindset where change is embraced rather than feared, a key habit for lifelong learning. Develops research skills. Coders frequently look up solutions, read documentation, or explore new methods. This practice sharpens research skills, making it easier to learn new topics in any area of life. Fosters collaboration and knowledge sharing. In coding communities, sharing knowledge and learning from others is common. This collaboration builds an openness to learning from peers, mentors, and even mistakes. Inspires curiosity and creativity. Coding is like a puzzle. There's always something new to create or solve. This sparks curiosity and keeps learners engaged in discovering new possibilities. In essence, coding instills a growth mindset where learning becomes a lifelong journey rather than a destination. It's a skill that keeps you hungry for knowledge, no matter where life takes you. Would you like practical examples of how coders continue learning throughout their careers?
Thank you for giving us amazing information. But at this time of our live session has ended. See you soon in another live session with another amazing topic. Goodbye.